Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Erin, and today we are going to work through a short series that's going to help us to sleep better at night. And you don't need any blocks or straps or anything for this. So we're just going to get started on our hands and knees. And we're going to make sure that you've got your hips directly over your knees and your shoulders directly over your wrists. And extend the right arm up and then thread it through. This is called thread the needle. And we're threading our arm through between the... Okay, let's start that again. Hi everyone, my name is Erin, this is Valley, and today we're going to work through about a 10-minute session that's going to help you sleep better at night. So you don't need any blocks or straps, and we're just going to get started on our hands and knees. And make sure that you've got your hips directly over your knees and your shoulders directly over your wrists. And extend the right arm up and then thread it through between your knee and your extended left hand. Left hand. And then allow yourself to come down. If you cannot make it all the way to the floor, then use a block to put your head on, or bring the block to bring the floor up a little bit towards you. And the idea is just to get into this position and no fidgeting. We're just going to hold it here for about 2 minutes. You want to keep your mouth closed and just have deep belly breaths. There's no need to pull in your tummy or engage any muscles. You're just relaxing here into this position. And you can release yourself from that. Extend your right arm up again. Come back onto all fours. You can walk your legs back, and then we're going to go into broken wing. So extend your right arm out, either straight at a T, or you can have your arms bent in a cactus arms. And then allow your head to come onto the mat. You're going to roll over onto your right-hand side, bend your knees, and support yourself with your left hand. So this is a beautiful heart opener. And now you can push yourself back up onto your hands and knees. I'm just turning the direction so I can always face the camera. Extend your left arm up, look up, and then we're coming into thread the needle on the other side. And come back up onto your hands and knees. Release yourself down onto the floor. Arms either straight out at a T, or you can have your left arm bent in cactus arms, and then roll over onto your left hand side, bend your knees and support yourself with your right hand and arm. You want to totally relax your body. And just breathe. Focus on your breathing in and out through your nose. You can have deep belly breaths. And slowly, slowly push your way back up into seated. And we'll go back onto our backs now. You can lay all the way down. Bend both knees. And take the right leg up and cross your right ankle over onto your left knee. We're going into reclined pigeon. You can stay there if you like. If that's enough of a stretch for your hips, you can stay there and then just push your knee open. Otherwise, you can put your hands through the cross and the figure 4 that you've created the hole and hold on behind your thigh, or you can hold on to your shin. You want to make sure that you've got your right foot flexed to just protect your knee, and you can bring your knee towards your chest. Have a slight tuck of your chin. And you can release that down. Take your feet about mat width apart and just allow your knees to drop from one side to the other. Take your feet back to the center of your mat. Extend the left leg up and take the left ankle over onto the right knee. And if you want to stay there, you can. You may just want to push your left knee away so you're getting a bit of a stretch. If you want to go a little bit deeper, thread your hand through the space and hold on to behind your thigh or on top of your shin. Tuck your chin so you elongate through the back of your neck and make sure that your foot is flexed. And you can release that down, take both feet flat to the mat, and then just allow the soles of the feet to come together and your knees to drop open wide. And then take your arms to cactus them. Just breathe here. And you can release yourself into a mini Shavasana, allowing your body to digest and rest. We're digesting all the movements that we did. And extend your right arm up overhead now. Roll over onto your right hand side. Cradle your head with your arm. You can push your way back up into a seated position. You can take your hands up over your head. Clasp your fingers, bring your hands to your chest. Have your thumbs facing up. And just breathe. Be thankful that you took this time for yourself today. And let's take our hands right up overhead into a prayer position through your forehead into your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me again today. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like it and share with a friend. Thank you.